Which of the following alphabet has no line of symmetry? Right, let's look at B, line of symmetry. We've discussed this. Very simple idea. If you draw an axis somewhere, call it a line of symmetry, the reflection of one half should be the other half, or if you fold about this axis, it should go and sit there. Obviously for B, this is not the line of symmetry. Imagine this, but for B, this is a possible line of symmetry. So you fold this, this can come and sit exactly, not my B, the way I have drawn this, this looks slightly bigger, but the B, the two parts are identical. So this goes and sits exactly in this. So B has a line of symmetry. O has lots of lines of symmetry. O can be cut any which way. O has lots of lines of symmetry. P, imagine this. You cut P horizontally, it doesn't work. Vertically, it doesn't work. Some random diagonal like this, it doesn't work. P has no line of symmetry. So the answer choice we are looking for is choice C, P. T has a line of symmetry. Wonderfully. This line here is a line of symmetry. This part is symmetric about this part. This line sits on the line of symmetry, so I don't have to worry about that. This will go get folded exactly onto that. T also has a line of symmetry. The only letter of these four that does not have a line of symmetry is P.